What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we have a question from a viewer, and let me just double check his name to see what it is. But his question was, how did I schedule my maintenances around being a mobile mechanic, and like how do I basically just schedule things for clients? And I am going to help him figure that out right now. So okay, so his name is Luin, and he was like, great video, how do you schedule your appointments as a mobile mechanic? So here we go. So what I basically do is I would take the phone call, find out what they need. If it's brakes, for example, and they say, hey, I need some brakes, when can you do it? I would tell them, let me check my schedule. So if I had nothing to do, obviously I would schedule it for the next day if they're available, or schedule it sometime during the week. The trick to also having a business is, even if you're not busy, you want to make it look like you are busy. You don't want people to feel like you're not getting any work, because then they're going to wonder, like, are you not that great? You don't want them to know that you're available right then and there to do it. You want to try to schedule it out for the next day, or towards the end of the week, or the week after. Now, if you are busy, obviously work on your schedule. You can take 1 or 2 cars a day. Do it however you want to do it. How I did it was, I always did 1 car a day. Never put myself through stress. I'm not a money hungry person, so I didn't need to worry about making thousands and thousands of dollars a day. If I made $200 in a day, I'm happy. I don't care. I'll take the rest of the day off and chill. If I felt like pushing it, I would push it and do another job. Usually the thing with me is I like doing everyone's job with quality, not quantity. So I don't like to push and do things halfway. I always like to take my time, make sure it's done right, make sure it's done clean, and then when I'm done with it, if I have time, I'll take on another job. If I don't have time, I'm not even gonna attempt it. I'll just wait till the next day. The next day is another day to make another dollar. So that's how I look at it. So always just work on a little schedule. I had a little notepad where I just wrote things down to see who it was. The day before the work, I would get back in touch with the client and see if they wanted to do the job still, if they were still interested. That way you're not wasting your time. Once they say yes, then you take all the information and you go meet them and do the job. Obviously you do your recommendations, and then if you have time and you can get the parts right then and there, you work on the car and finish it right then and there. Or you just tell them you'll have to order the parts, you come back and you reschedule again, either the next day or whenever you have a free moment to do it. But make sure you get that done during that same week, so they're not waiting on you and wondering what's going on. You always want to take care of your client. You always want to make sure you have a great rapport with them, and that will take you far. Also, after every single work that you do with them, you also want them to leave a review on Google for you. So always make sure that they leave a review. The more reviews you have, people will read them, and you will definitely get more work towards the end of the day. Basically, I don't even know if that makes sense, but you'll get more work when people see better reviews. People will feel comfortable, they'll feel like they know you. Also, if you don't have personality skills, make sure you work on it. If you are an introvert, you feel like you can't really talk to people, try working on it. Take classes, do something, because the more personable you can be with people, the better it is for you and your business. It'll prosper like that. So always try to do that, and just work on yourself. Always try to improve yourself, and you'll go far. So with that being said, I hope this helped you, Luan. If it did, please leave a comment in the comment section below. Let me know that it helped you. Also, make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel, and also hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.